My name is Leif Hertzfeld. I'm a lawn care soils technician, and I started working at Rainbow back in 2016.
I'm Karina. I'm a spray technician here at Rainbow Lawn Care. I've been here since August of 2020.
I'm Kelsey Livermore. I started working at Rainbow in 2019 and I started as a lawn technician and I'm now the lawn care training supervisor.
So I had a friend that worked here, and I told them, what I was looking for in a job, like being able to, be outside and do. I like manual labor jobs, and the friend that I had here, kind of explained to me what the job position would be, and it just sounded like something that I would like, so I applied.
So, for my job, I do slit seeding, aerations, overseeding, lay sod, do hydro seeding, and all sorts of special services involving dirt and working on yards.
So depending on what the lawn needs, I apply a lot of granular fertilizers, granular like insecticides, and liquid herbicide to the grass, depending on what the homeowner needs and what the lawn needs to become healthy. I like being able to be outside all the time. I like having like the outside office and then also working independently out in the field.
I absolutely love working with my team. Everybody is super helpful all the time and it's relaxed and it feels like more of a group of friends than it does coworkers.
You get a good workout, you feel great at the end of the day, and it's just satisfying to see a yard that looks awful, and once you're done with it, it's a brand new yard, looks perfect.
It gets really hot and humid during the summer, and a lot of people aren't really prepared for that, especially if you have huge properties that you're pushing fertilizer and spreading that. It can get really strenuous.
Back in 2016, I started as an inject care technician, and that was just a summer job. So I'd work on elm trees and oak trees. I applied to Rainbow because the pay was good. I needed a summer job, and the work was fun.
I applied at Rainbow because I needed a change from what I was doing. I was in a lab doing mostly desk work and I really wanted to be more active and be outside and be part of the team.